And we're back. Hello everybody. Welcome to the 4th episode of Diecast OutKast. Today we're going to be doing a Squareback Volkswagen. And this one fought me pretty hard. I've been using the new castings for the videos so I can get used to my setup and get some content out for you guys. But I do plan on doing some black wall restorations and customizations as well as red lines and whatever else I can come up with. We're going to pull this out of the package by using some acetone to loosen up the glue on the back so we could reuse the package later. Brush it on, give it a few seconds, and the blister will pull right off there. Drill out the top of the mushroom post with a larger diameter bit. Pop the base off with a screwdriver. Since this is a Volkswagen, we're going to stick with the German theme.
Take my hand, come back to the land. Let's get away, just for one day. Let me see you stripped.
That's right, now it's time for stripping in the hottest ball salsa. The Zamac casting shows metal, but it does have a coating over the top of it, and that's what we're stripping off today. Drilling out the post. Then we'll use some self-tapping screws so we can put the rest of the car back together once we're ready to assemble. I went with these Matchbox wheels because they look close to the Volkswagen wheels originally. Using the wire wheel to go over the body so we can prep it for paint. Here's our VW Squareback with a wheel swap and stripped clear. I wonder what came in the mail today. It's a new bottle of Createx Pearlized Green. I think we'll use this for the color since the glass is tinted green. Use the white for the base. The white is an enamel, so we're going to go ahead and bake it in the Groster oven at 250 for about 10 minutes. on to airbrushing the color. The color turned out great, but there was some contaminants in the paint, so it went back to the stripper. Went back and painted it a medium green, and then painted over that with pearlized green. It looks pretty good. There's a few little small places, but I'm okay with it. I cleared it with the urethane clear. Going to dip the glass in our Pledge floor care. Now we're going to cover it up just to keep any kind of dust or bugs or any kind of particles out of it while it dries. Put a light thinned out coat of antique white on the interior so it looks like it shows some of the details. Time to screw it back together, and then we will do the final reveal. And here's a reminder of what we came from. Here's the finished product, 6 paint jobs later. This is Diecast OutKast. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Tell all your friends. Share it. Add a little dab of glue and it'll look like the car has never been out of the package. We have an Instagram page if you want to follow us. It's Diecast OutKast. Add me on Snapchat. You can see some of the stuff happen while it's happening or before, after, whatever.
Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey.